Hi guys, so this is a really quick video. It is January 26th. It's time to get, you probably should have done it by now, planners, appointment books, diaries, things like that. The reason I'm doing this video now is because I've noticed that a lot of people are downloading the academic data from last year. So the data that make academic planners for 25-26, people are downloading that. So I thought I'd release the data for 2026. So if you want to make diaries like this or appointment books, I've shown you how to make them loads of times, planners which are more complex, you can do it by hand of course, but it's best and easiest if you use the data set I'm about to give you and also data merge. Again, look through my channel, you'll see a load of videos on how to make these sort of things using this data set. I'll try and tag a vid in below that gives you a walkthrough. It'll be from last year, but the methods are still the same. So you're not going to be getting this file at all. You'll be getting this file instead. So this is 2026 mail merge data. Every date, every day, short letter, month, and the actual year. And then you get the at a glance if you are making at a glance calendars. Data on page 2. So I'll link to this below. Use the discount code YEAR, Y-E-A-R. You'll get this for free, and then you'll be able to make planners for the upcoming year. So that's it. Like I said, quick video as I promised. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.